Hi, I'm Dennis Oakley and this is Dennis Oakley Strategy Consulting. Welcome to the vlog. Today I'm going to continue talking about how to test your business model, how to look for ways to improve it. And the question that I'm asking today is, how do our value propositions create network effects for us? So network effect is the effect where the more there are of something, the greater the value. The classic one is the fax. I think the fax was invented in something like the 1820s, 1860s, 1870s, something like that. But there were only two fax machines, and after a while the French government stopped using it because it wasn't very useful, and we then had to wait for another almost 100 years before fax machines started coming out. As you got more fax machines, they become incredibly useful because you can fax anybody. And now, as the world has changed and moved over to email and other forms of communication, fax machines are losing the network effect because most people now don't have a fax machine. So that's background. Does your value proposition have a network effect? So for my business, the core services, the core value doesn't really have much of a network effect. Where I do get some network effects, or could have some network effects, is if I build a Facebook page or some discussion group where the more customers, the more visitors to my website went there and engaged with one another, the more value would be created organically. Without that, many service providers don't have many network effects. One service provider that does have network effects in their value proposition is Uber, because the more customers Uber gets, the more value it can deliver to its taxi driver partners. The more taxi driver partners it gets, the more value it can deliver to its customers, both in ride availability, waiting time, and presumably on some sort of cost basis as well, because the costs of the business are being spread out over more people. So that's more of an economies of scale issue rather than network effect. So when you're thinking about your business model, this won't apply to a lot of people, but it's still worth considering what part of my value proposition, or which of my value propositions, can deliver a network effect, or is there absolutely no network effect that is possible to take advantage of. Another way of looking at this is to say, okay, have any of my partners got network effects that I can jump on the back of? Have any of my competitors got network effects? Because if they've got network effects that they can use on their benefit, why can't you be doing something similar? Yep, if they're doing something different, can you copy it? Yes, you can. Okay, that's it from Dennis Oakley this week. Please subscribe to the vlog. Please like this video, that's much appreciated, and also do head over to dennis-oakley.com and have a look at some of my more in-depth articles as I explore strategy and ways of making businesses better, faster, and of course making more sales.